Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, I have come up with 3 best diaries which you can buy online at a very reasonable price. So, without wasting much time, let's begin. So the first diary is Offbeat Handmade Leather Journal Notebook Diary. It comes with antique key lock. It is best for writing travel stories, thoughts and memories, or you can use it as a recipe book, daily planner or photo diary. Talking about its cover quality, then you will get high quality full grain leather, and paper quality is 100% recycled, acid free, wood free, chemical free paper. And talking about the number of pages, then there are hand stitched 200 pages. The second diary is COI Diary Black Undated Planner. This diary is very stylish and elegant, which can be used for corporate, casual and gifting purpose. It has an attractive interior which you can see in the image. It also includes calculator and pen. You can gift this elegant diary to your friends, teachers or college going students. The third diary is called ADKD 13 in 1 DIY Unicorn Diary for Girls. It is a very attractive diary which comes with transparent shell with 6-hole paper spacer. You will also get silicone gel pens, ruler, hairball paper, rectangular unicorn cardboard as well as unicorn sticker sheets. The notebook contains many accessories and style-changing materials with which you can change the look of your diary anytime. So, if you want to buy any of these diaries, then please go to the description box below. There I have provided the link.